Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert image into black and white color in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. In this video, I will show convert image into black and white. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for picture option. Then choose color. So then choose picture. Now for insert. That's it. Then issue insert from the picture. Now going to the color menu option. Then click for a black and white. That's it. Then issue convert image into black and white color in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.